मैं सुशी सिर्फ तब खा सकती हूँ जब मैं अपने आप को बोलूँ कि ये ताड़ गोला है। ताड़ गोला एक फ्रूट होता है जो जिसमें कुछ खास टेस्ट किसी तरह का भी नहीं होता है।
This is on Pongal when we both were making. It's our most celebrated festival.
ये खाना खा रहा है और मैं इतनी लालची तरीके से उसको देख रही हूँ। किसी तरह का मतलब आप देखो कि जरा भी वो इतना इन्वॉल्व है अपने खाने में। करण जौहर, आपने मेरे साथ बहुत बुरा किया।
Shabana ji gave me a look immediately as soon as I said veg biryani.
हमारे लिए है
सिर्फ पुलाव, vegetable पुलाव कहते हैं।
आप बोलो
Vegetable पुलाव।
Vegetarian बिरयानी मतलब प्लीज ऐसी कोई चीज इस दुनिया में नहीं। And I'm just asked to stir the pot for 2 times while sometimes somebody has to go out, and I do that और जल के राख हो जाता है।
I was with a friend.
मैं वही पूछ रहा था दूसरा आइसक्रीम किसके So like we can see the food is already served because all of us are very hungry, but I am here with the team Dabba Kaatil.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for doing this. You know, I never lose an opportunity to speak to strong, inspiring women and just look at this table. है ना? So I'm so happy I'm doing this. Thank you so much for allowing me to do it.
Thank you.
पहला सवाल बहुत सिंपल है कि are you guys a foodie?
Yeah. We all are.
Yes, that's the reason for living.
है ना? But yeah, food is outstanding. But Shabana ji, I think you don't cook, right?
I have a great talent for cooking. Do you know that? I have a great talent for cooking.
Like what?
Like the best dish in the world can be made and is being made, and I'm just asked to stir the pot for 2 times while sometimes somebody has to go out, and I do that और जल के राख हो जाता है। तो मेरे घर में अगर मैं बोलती हूँ मैं खाना पकाऊं तो सब ब्रर करके भाग जाते हैं।
But I know Cafe Azmi Saab used to love your food, however you made it.
But he is the sweetest man in the world ना, तो फिर सब लोग भाग जाते थे और अब्बा मेरी इतनी कच्ची रोटी खा के बोलते
I love it.
बहुत उम्दा sweetheart.
But how about Javed Saab? Does
No, he will also run away.
yeah?
And Farhan and Zoya तो 100%.
Shalini, do you cook? No?
Same. I'm very like bad in the kitchen.
Yeah.
At cooking. मैं तो मतलब बहुत मतलब जला चुकी हूँ, हाथ काट चुकी हूँ. I remember the first time, it's not cooking, but like the first time I shifted to Bombay, and the first time I was living alone and all of that. I went to the kitchen to cut नींबू. और मैंने नींबू काटा और मेरी थोड़ी सी उंगली कट गई होगी और मैं खून देख के थोड़ी ऐसी हो जाती थी. मैं ऐसे बैक ट्रैक करके अपने बेडरूम पे गई हूँ और सो गई हूँ और 3 घंटे बाद उठी हूँ क्योंकि मैंने ओवर रिएक्शन में मैं बेहोश हो गई थी. ठीक है, तो उससे मैंने किया है कि मैं कभी नहीं जाऊंगी किचन में. इट्स ओके.
मैंने मगर एक छोटा सा करेक्शन फरहान ने किया था कल
हाँ.
कि नींबू पानी बनाने को कोई कुकिंग नहीं
हाँ,
होता है।
correct, बिल्कुल.
मेरे लेवल में वही
Small.
Jitika?
COVID में थोड़ा बहुत किया,
हाँ.
but बड़ी dishes,
Yeah.
not from the basics.
You
दाल
have
चावल
seen
बनानी
pictures of
है.
you and Surya sir making food.
Yes.
हाँ.
दाल चावल we don't know, but बिरयानी बनाई and
खुद
baking
really?
खुद
अरे
yeah.
वाह।
और baking बहुत किया. I think baking was quite a flavor of the season in
Yeah.
COVID.
Yeah.
बहुत bake किया.
Yeah.
So desserts और food
Yeah.
और बिरयानी बहुत बनाई. हम दोनों बिरयानी बना के we used to send it to our friends.
Oh wow.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Do you
we also
love
friends.
South Indian
हाँ.
बिरयानी?
Yeah, South Indian biryani. South
तो
Indian.
मतलब अवध की तो बात कुछ और है।
बिल्कुल. But did you then treat all of them on the set?
नहीं, यहाँ पे
काश
टाइम
ऐसा
का
होता।
यहाँ पे टाइम का
Friends, we
deserve biryani.
है ना? नहीं,
Yeah.
you should call us home and you should serve us on that patta.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even the host deserves sometimes.
Yes,
हाँ.
for sure.
I'm
In
self-invited.
Chennai.
Anjali?
I like to cook, but when मेरा जब मूड हो और कोई और किचन में ना हो और मुझे कोई खूब बोले नहीं कि ये टाइम पे चाहिए वो चाहिए, तो लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे मैं अकेली थी तो मुझे जो बाहर से खाने का मन करता था मैं बनाती थी.
जी.
But I cook really good South East Asian.
Wow.
I think I don't दाल चावल मैं शायद नहीं बना पाऊँ उतना अच्छा, but South East Asian food I really like cooking.
Yeah. I have the same
Good
thing. I
soy
love
chicken
cooking.
and all of that. With
Wow,
skin.
nice to hear that.
Yeah. I love cooking. My wife doesn't let me go inside the kitchen though because she feels I'll mess everything
Mess it
around,
up.
which I do.
Yeah.
So when she's not at home, I take the opportunity to do it. But I really want to ask you this: so many roles across so many decades. what is it that really still excites you in a script? You see something, you're like, यार ये तो मैंने नहीं किया. ऐसा कुछ है जो शबाना आजमी जी ने नहीं किया और वो excite करता है कि यार ये मैंने touch नहीं किया.
Honestly बताओ,
हाँ.
पैसा बोलता है. पैसा अगर अच्छा है तो it excites me, of course not. मगर the thing is, I'm curious about doing a historical character because I feel that for reference we only have our own films. तो मुगले आजम में उन्होंने ऐसे बात किया था, या you know, we have such little reference points in terms of historical things that हमारे पास एक स्टैंडर्ड बन गया है कि तकलिया और हम ऐसे बात करेंगे. I want to explore whether they can speak like us. भाई अपने घर पे जब होंगे तो interestingly, there's only one scene in Shekhar Kapoor's Elizabeth where suddenly Kate Blanche launches into that. She's trying to see how, instead of pretending, she can be herself, and that scene is so fascinating. So that's what I would really like to explore.
Yeah. You know, but at the trailer launch, I remember when Farhan was explaining the whole show, he used the word women-centric. And the first thing that came to my mind at that point in time is that we are in 2025 and y'all are actors. And I know Shabana doesn't like the word actress. She says female actor and male actor. In times like these, do you think it is right to position anything as women-centric? Because we don't call that same thing from a male-centric show.
I've had many arguments with Zoya on this. And she thinks that it shouldn't be called women-centric. I mean, she doesn't like to be called female director. I wonder about that because I feel that, you know, there's so little visibility for women that they are controlling the show, they're leading the show, that I think it is important to bring that to the audience's notice. And hopefully a time will come when it'll become so common that we will not have to. But at the moment, we are edging our way into becoming more visible.
But you think also it becomes a part of the audience lingo if we put it out there. If we stop saying women-centric film, the audience will stop saying it also.
अरे दोस्त ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. अभी बहुत दूर की जर्नी है. अभी बहुत दूर की जर्नी.
जी. But I hope it happens.
If I can go back to Zoya, you know, Zoya said, why should I be called a woman filmmaker? Woman filmmaker, why should it be called? And I said, but I think that's very important. Again, because I think men and women are different. They're not better. They're not worse, but they're different.
Yeah.
And the difference needs to be celebrated. So it's not that you choose subjects that are only about strong women or only one kind of woman. She can be a thief, she can be a queen, she can be a slum dweller. It can be a crime. It can be anything. But the gaze should be female, hopefully, because otherwise for far too long, the arts particularly have been dominated by the male gaze.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
So I'm not completely sure about this. I've had many arguments with her. But I still think that being called a woman filmmaker, that's different from being a woman-centric film. Definitely,
Yeah. Jyotika, what do you have to say about this? I mean, you've also been working for many years and you've seen the transition change but do you think the change has really happened?
Yes, of course the change has happened. There's been immense amount of growth in the past 10 years. Yeah, earlier than that we had parallel cinema, or as called the women-centric films. But now I think with the OTT, with the platforms coming in, I think we are just exploring more characters and women are getting an absolute space. So definitely the growth has happened.
And you see the same in the South as well?
The growth has happened, but I would say it's still separate. We've not really explored the web series world yet.
Yeah.
We're still theatre goers, still cinema lovers there. But I'd say, the films are being made separately. We're not really getting that space in a popular hero film or
I'm not sure that's right, because the film that we saw of yours It was
No, not particularly South. I'm talking for Tamil, where I've
Tamil.
predominantly done Malayalam.
That was Malayalam.
Yeah, Malayalam is like ahead. It's ahead of I think
Everyone's
probably
time.
even Hindi
Yeah.
in
Yeah,
ways,
absolutely.
or Marathi rather.
Stories, yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't say South. It's my fault. It's Tamil cinema where I predominantly work. So I still feel we are making the two films separately. Women separately where they really are performing, but we don't get that space often. You get it sometimes, hardly 1% of the times in a hero's film.
But do you think this is because of the reflection of the society or a business call?
It wouldn't be a business call because it's no harm giving a space to another character in a film. So but I think the writing hasn't. To be very frank, the writing is not up to the standard when it comes to the other characters around the hero.
Yeah.
Which I think has also been an improvement in Hindi because of the OTT platforms. I think we're writing for everyone now. Everyone has an equal space. So I feel the growth has been from there, but we need to combine it in Tamil film industry.
Yeah.
The Malayalam is way
It's way
ahead.
ahead,
Way
for
ahead.
sure.
Way ahead of everyone.
For sure.
Avinash, I think that was a very important question.
Yeah.
Really
That is
important question. And I think it's both. I think it's both. That oftentimes filmmakers are not ready for the change that is actually occurring in society.
Yeah.
And they feel that, arey yaar, ye accept nahi ho jayega. And again we've proved that when they've thought that this won't happen, it has happened and it has worked.
Yeah.
But the other thing is definitely the business. The business clearly, if it is a film led by a female, then what they imagine is the first day draw will not be the same as a very prominent male actor. And why should everything be about the first weekend collection?
That's true.
I mean, films have a long life,
Yeah.
way beyond
Absolutely.
the first weekend. So I find that strange. And I think that's why we are falling on our faces, because now so many films with very big male stars have not worked.
Yeah.
So I hope that will lead to a churning and an understanding. Ki things are moving, churning, and we need to take cognizance of the fact.
I really hope we are I think cinematically we are at a turning point where things will change now, because like you said, even big supposed male stars are not able to pull that kind of crowd into the theaters anymore. So I
You know,
hope,
which is not, don't think this as a male-hating thing that
Of
I'm
course,
saying.
yeah, not at all,
Stuff.
absolutely.
I am just talking about the change that is happening in our audiences, because they are also being exposed to a lot of OTT platforms, not just in India, but everywhere else. And their tastes are churning, are changing. That I think.
Sure.
I'd just like to add to what she said, that the male gaze has been celebrated for so long. That is why we are now noticing when someone brings something up with a female gaze or with a female star cast or with a female crew.
Yeah.
That is why it's like, oh, it's a female, because you're not used to seeing it.
Correct.
It's not normalized.
Yeah.
Because we have celebrated the male gaze so much, and you're not used to seeing the other side at all. So it's not ना मर्दों की गलती है ना औरतों की गलती है ना सोसाइटी की गलती है देखा सबने एक ही हम सबने वही देखा बहुत टाइम तक you know, so I think it is just that we are used to it.
Which is my first question. अगर हम बोलना बंद कर देंगे तो
Exactly.
ऑडियंस भी एक्सेप्ट करना बंद करेगी कि विमेन है और ये मेल सेंट्रिक है.
But I think I agree with her. I think sometimes you have to push it a little.
वो बोलना भी तो जरूरी है,
But
but
for that to be noticed, because as she said, it's been happening for a long time, and there's going to be a long time it's going to go for it to become normal. Ki when people are like, oh, it's a film. It's not a male centric or female centric. It's just a film. But
it's a story.
It's a story. But and I say this because I come from a small town. It's very important to keep saying it over and over again, to keep getting it there, so that people, not just in films, in real life, just see us as human beings and not just as two genders, whatever you call yourself as.
And it is the truth. Obviously, some big superstars do bring the box office in the first weekend, and the 100 crore का number लग गया है अब 1000 crore का भी number लग गया है कहीं से, तो मतलब कितने ही पैसे. So I think that they do bring that, and a female will not bring maybe that much. But अगर chance ही नहीं मिला तो कैसे होगा? If you've not tried it only तो कैसे होगा? Slowly ना, उन्होंने भी पहली पिक्चर में नहीं किया था ना, उनको 100 crore तो नहीं मिले थे पहली पिक्चर में, बहुत कम लोगों को मिले होंगे. तो हम चांस देते रहो, शायद मिल जाए, वहाँ से शुरू हो जाए जर्नी लड़कियों की भी।
जी बिल्कुल, टच वुड।
सिर्फ ये सोचियो कि ये सुशी आपकी प्लेट्स में है और आप लोग खा नहीं रहे, और मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ सुशी के बारे में
हाँ
कि मैं सुशी सिर्फ तब खा सकती हूँ जब मैं अपने आप को बोलूँ कि ये ताड़गोला है। ताड़गोला एक फ्रूट होता है जो जिसमें कुछ खास टेस्ट किसी तरह का भी नहीं होता है। तो
Say that about sushi.
बिकॉज मैं मेरे लिए खाना इम्पॉसिबल है, ऑफ कोर्स द मिनट आई टेल दैट टू जोया शी सेड यू हैवंट लिव्ड इफ यू हैव नॉट ईटन जापानीज फूड, देन आई सेड व्हाट अबाउट वेजिटेरियन सुशी, देयर इज नो सच थिंग,
There
इट
is
डजंट
no such thing.
exist, it is the
वहाँ से
Gujarati
ऐसे से no. I love
अब
vegetarian.
Jabbalpuri is also there, ये गुजराती
चावल और
और
भाजी
जबलपुरी।
Yeah, no, to tell the truth, I also don't like sushi. It's in the plate.
अच्छा
But can I please tell you this is really bad sushi?
Oh, really?
Yeah, it doesn't taste really
Shalini,
nice.
you've never had sushi in your life.
I've had great asparagus sushi and it is lovely and I will stand by it for all vegetarians. I
Asparagus
will.
wrapped with rice is not sushi.
Yeah, like
I
a
would
veg
still
biryani is veg
I will
sushi.
call, for me it is
But
veg biryani.
Shamana ji gave me a look immediately as soon as
Yeah.
I said veg biryani.
हमारे लिए है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल,
पुलाव,
हमारे लिए है।
उसे पुलाव, vegetable पुलाव कहते हैं।
आप बोलो
Vegetable पुलाव।
वेजिटेरियन बिरयानी मतलब प्लीज ऐसी कोई चीज इस दुनिया में हुई नहीं।
जैसे आलू टिक्की
Delusion भी
burger
रहना
होता है,
चाहती हूँ।
वैसे hamburger, आलू टिक्की burger
Same,
not
same.
the same.
So we have a small segment called खाना and कहानी. हमारे पास डब्बा है और उसके अंदर से एक पिक्चर निकलेगा हर लेवल से.
कोई डब्बे
मतलब
में
हर
खाना
चीज
नहीं
निकलेगा लेकिन
खाना नहीं
खाना नहीं
निकलेगा।
डब्बे से खाना नहीं निकलता। बेसिकली हम शो में बेच भी वही रहे हैं ना कि खाना तो हम बेच नहीं रहे हैं।
बात तो सही है।
हर डब्बे में एक कहानी है जो आपको बतानी होगी. पहला है
कहानी
दिस इज ज्योतिका.
अरे, मेरा ही पहले आया।
अरे
आप बैठो ना बैठो।
This is on Pongal when we both were making. It's
so
very
cute.
it's our most celebrated festival.
How you
हाँ, and we both were making it together.
Genuinely
मतलब बनाया
just
नहीं
for the
पर
कैमरा,
कैमरा के लिए
जस्ट फॉर द कैमरा।
नहीं नहीं साथ में बनाते हैं, साथ में नहीं साथ में बनाया सबने, मतलब एक जन चावल डालता है, एक जन पानी, फिर गुड़,
Sweet.
फिर उसमें उबाल आता है, तो देन वी से पोंगल ओ पोंगल, लाइक इट्स द मोस्ट सेलिब्रेटेड।
अच्छा देखो इनकी महाराष्ट्रियन लेगेसी पता चल गई, एक जन सिर्फ मराठी बोलते हैं ना, ये साउथ से कोई नहीं
South and North.
आमची मुंबई।
करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट वन. दिस इज शबाना जी.
This is deprivation of the worst sort. Okay? So ये खाना खा रहा है और मैं इतनी लालची तरीके से उसको देख रही हूँ। इसी तरह का
Oh my God, look at you.
मतलब आप देखो कि जरा भी वो इतना इन्वॉल्व है अपने खाने में। करण जौहर, आपने मेरे साथ बहुत बुरा किया।
This is also the third film the two of you are doing together.
She is now joined to me at the hip.
Yeah.
हम लोग हाँ, Laurel
I
and
would
Hardy.
like to be called Shabana Azmi की चमच।
Which is a good thing to be told.
Laurel Hardy. Laurel Hardy. We'll do that together.
Yeah, no, Shabana Azmi की चमची is also great. I
I
think
love
it's an honor.
या खुद ही है।
हाँ, मैं खुद हूँ.
Oh, that's lovely. मेरा है?
This is Anjali.
This is Anjali. Oh, it's a cute picture.
You don't want the story about this.
I
you will
really want
cancel
the
me.
story.
Very cute picture.
This is in Dubai. I love. People are gonna cancel me, but I love food outside when it's like the. I think they Indianize it a lot when they open fast food restaurants in India.
Yeah.
A lot, to an extent where the flavor only is different. कि क्या फायदा मैं क्यों Starbucks में जाके चिकन टिक्का खाऊं?
हाँ.
कि क्यों मैं McDonald's में जाके पिज्जा पॉकेट या आलू
Agree.
टिक्की बर्गर खाऊं? मतलब you know it's like that. McDonald's is made for a good McDonald's burger. So this is me enjoying a good McDonald's burger outside my country, because my country is, we can take it, guys. We don't need to Indianize everything, you know.
Chinese especially.
Chinese especially, like bring me authentic.
तेरा
खराब
बाहर
मसाला
जाता आपको
जाता
लगता है
है
ये Chinese
Because
food है?
like again, अगर हम if you don't get people used to that taste, how will they get used to it? You
Yeah.
know, stop Indianizing everything. We can take it.
Yeah.
And we will. हम बहुत आगे बढ़ चुके हैं.
That was a
Stop
good comparison.
Yeah, stop making it like you know कि हाँ चलो इन Indians को Indian type खिलाओ. हम बाहर का चीजें खाना चाहते हैं. That's why they've come here, right?
I agree.
Please give me this burger in India.
Shalini.
I'm wanting मेरा क्या picture है? हाँ? Oh, this is my favorite picture. Literally my favorite picture. मैं actually ऐसी आइसक्रीम खाती हूँ तो I was with a friend.
मैं वही पूछ रहा था दूसरा आइसक्रीम किसके लिए?
Long back, 3 years back.
Okay.
And then the ice was so good कि मैं उसकी भी छीन के बोला कि I'm gonna have 2, you can buy yourself another one. So I had 2.
जाती किधर है मेरी जान?
Yeah.
ये जाती किधर ये हमको भी बता दो.
ये गोवा की पिक्चर है.
तुम नहीं
आइसक्रीम
कहाँ जाती है?
आइसक्रीम का जाती
Sorry.
वो 3 साल पहले चली गई थी जाओ.
जाती है यार.
पूछ लिया
Extra detail from me. हाँ, great.
खाती हूँ मैं.
दूसरी आइसक्रीम किसके लिए
Correct.
थी वो वहाँ चली गई
हाँ.
और आइसक्रीम कहीं नहीं गई.
आइसक्रीम जाती मैं खाती हूँ यार. हर
हाँ.
Sunday I'm eating ice cream or some desserts. I love sweet.
Sure,
Yes.
sure. No, I can't wait to see the show. I have seen 2 episodes. I have to see more. I will see it very, very soon. But like I said, I'm very, very happy to be here, talk to you guys. I hope I do that again for season 2, season 3, and more saving.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you so much.
Good.
Thank you.
Veg biryani for you.
Thank
Yeah. For us, yeah.
No, you're not getting.
And sushi
I'm with
for you.
Sushi asparagus.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.